Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and powerful trick to use the CC shortcut in Gmail. This tip will save you time and make your email workflow much smoother, especially if you frequently need to include additional recipients in your messages. To get started, open your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your inbox. Once you're there, click on the Compose button, usually located on the left side of the screen, to start a new email draft. This sets the stage for using the CC shortcut. Now, here's where the shortcut comes in. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and C at the same time. For Mac users, it's just as easy. Press Command, Shift, and C together. This command instantly opens the CC field beneath the To line, making it ready for you to add additional recipients. So why use the CC field? Adding email addresses here allows others to see your message without making them the main recipient. It's perfect for keeping colleagues, clients, or team members in the loop without directly involving them in the main conversation. After opening the CC field, type the email address of the person you want to include. Gmail's auto-suggest feature will help speed things up as you type. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct so your email reaches the right person. Once added, you can continue writing your email as usual. Compose your message, whether it's a quick note or a more detailed email. Review everything to make sure it's accurate and complete. When you're ready, click Send, and your email will go out with all the intended recipients included. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to use CC shortcuts in Gmail. Mastering this simple trick will make your email routine faster, more organized, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.